I'm glad you're along with us now. It is 7:10, and it is time on his radio with Rob and Liz, Lizz's Ugly Bakery. It might not look pretty, but it tastes great.
Well, I hope it tastes great this week. We'll ask TJ in a few minutes. But, so it's not exactly the prettiest thing that you'll ever see. Okay.
What's wrong with it? Why is it not pretty?
It's just not. I think bars, to me, are just sort of boring to look at. But it's this should excite you right here. Banana pudding cheesecake bars. So I'll tell you what ended up in the trash. The first recipe that I've put on the blog, the Blondie recipe, is horrible. I'm just going to put it out there. Horrible, all caps.
She didn't even bring it in. It's so bad, evidently.
It is in the trash. Like, I looked at it as it was baking, and I'm like, it's not rising. I don't know what's happening. So, yeah, it ended up in the trash. I found another Blondie recipe that I went with because what this is mashed up banana, a little flour, some sugar. That makes the crust. So you're making the Blondie, right? Then the top is banana cream pudding.
Okay.
That you buy. It's instant pudding from Jell-O. And you mix that with cream cheese and some vanilla and some sugar, and boom, you're good. Homemade whipped cream is mixed up in there as well. But I made 2 crusts because TJ in our video department said, I don't like blondies. He didn't even know what a blondie was, which I get.
Are you serious? You didn't know what it was and you already judged it?
I never said I didn't like it to begin with.
You
just said I didn't know what it was.
No. I explained it's sort of like a vanilla brownie.
And I went, oh.
No, it was more.
It as me not liking it.
It was more. Oh. Like, ew. Sort of an O and an ew together. So, anyway, I made a a vanilla wafer crust. But I also made the Blondie crust. He's actually going to try both.
And she did top it with a vanilla wafer.
I did.
That's the cherry on top.
Yes.
That's the vanilla wafer on top.
All right, so we have to see how this is this week. Because I think it's a banana pudding. Who doesn't like banana pudding?
Mm-hmm. So we have taste testers or reviewers for you. They are Ian and TJ from the video department, our producers. Okay, so we'll start with TJ. What do you say, TJ?
Well, it ain't bad.
Oh, my goodness.
No, I'm just kidding. It's really good.
Okay. What?
He likes it.
It's really good. Like, it's the one with the Blondie, too. So, like,
he likes it.
It's...
Hey, yay.
I don't even know how to describe it. Like, it's like banana manna from heaven.
It's literally, that's literally what I was just...
Banana manna from heaven?
That was from TJ, who usually does not like what Liz brings to the Ugly Bakery. This is like a breakthrough.
Right, because he is very particular. He doesn't like nuts. He doesn't like chocolate. He doesn't...
Like anything.
A lot of things.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is literally like if you want to have banana pudding, but you want it in a more holdable, chewable form, this is perfect. Like, it's the entire banana pudding experience. Like the vanilla wafer
experience
that you made, what was it, the crust, what'd you call it?
Yes.
Yeah,
vanilla wafer crust.
Is exactly what it's like to have vanilla wafer in the banana pudding. So it's, by all accounts, love it.
Okay.
So I'm watching the hips.
Yeah.
So I'll take a little tiny bite.
Okay.
Let me try this.
And you got the one with the Blondie crust.
Okay.
Which Ian is dying to try as well.
Holy cow, this is good.
Is it really?
Oh, my.
Oh, yay!
Wow.
And the thing is, it is a really simple recipe. So instead of taking a normal banana pudding to your covered dish next time, take this.
Okay.
Yeah.
You might be interested in what this is. So if you are, go to the Rob and Liz blog. It's at my mouth is watering. It's at HISRadio.com.
That's a good thing.
Just click on Rob and Liz. You'll see Liz's Ugly Bakery. You will have this recipe for yourself.